Hello dosto, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My channel name is CG English Wala. Today topic is very important for every learner. A person who wants to learn English but they don't know how to start in English. So if you want to improve your English language and you don't know how to start in English and how to think in English, to this video for you. Stay till end. You will find lot of things to improve your English language. So I would like to share my personal experience with this language and how I am improving my English language, how I am learning English on daily basis. So the way I am applying my English language, I would like to share this thing. So I follow simple method, but simple method doesn't mean it is not work for you. No, it is a work for you, and if you want to improve your English language, then must follow this method. First method is that speak English. I listen to English daily. Yes, if you want to improve your English language, then you have to listen more. Because when you listen more, then your ears started understanding these things, and you are habituated of this language, and you can start understanding what they are saying, what they are asking, and what it is explained, each and everything you know. So you will have to listen a lot to improve your English language. I do this thing on my daily basis for 10 minutes, sometimes 20 minutes. Second thing is that I practice on daily basis. Yes, I practice speaking English on daily basis. And I use some application. On that application, I practice a little bit on daily basis. I spend 20 minutes, sometimes 30 minutes on this app to speak with any stranger and co-learner. So if you want to improve your English language, so you will have to practice. Practice makes perfect. Until unless you practice, then how it can be possible? Your English will be improved. So if you want to improve your English language, then you will have to indulge in practice part. Third thing is that start from scratch. Yes, don't wait for perfection and perfect time. Start from scratch. Even a native speaker started from their journey from scratch. So why, whom you are waiting for? Start from scratch. And one day you will be able to speak well. Third thing is that don't be afraid of speaking English. Yes, if you are afraid to speak in English, it doesn't mean you are not improving yourself in this language. So if you want to improve your English language, anyhow you will have to speak. You will have to speak more and more so that you can speak in English and be positive. Yes, bro. If you want to improve your English language to learning rate, you will have to be positive a lot because it is a very important thing because speaking is not a one nice process. It will take a time. So you will have to be positive when you started learning English. And learning part is very important. So you will have to learn something new. You can learn according to your interest and try to learn simple sentence, simple words, simple structure. And what you learn, what you observe, what you see, each and everything, it is needed to apply this thing to improve your English language. And if you follow this method, definitely your English will be improved and you will be eloquent and articulate speaker in this language. I follow these things on daily basis. So So this how I am improving my English language, because I am a beginner, so I can't express each and everything what I wanted to share with you before recording this video. So these things is very important to improve your English.